It's your boy Jay Jones back with another video. We back with this retro bowl. Last time I left y'all on a cliffhanger with the 49ers, but that franchise is done. We're not doing that no more. It's over with. This time we playing with the Jacksonville Jaguars. Jaguars, overall they suck, but they had some great years in their history now. I ain't gonna lie. Mark Burnell, Frank Taylor, Fred Taylor, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. Jimmy Smith. They had some great players. David Garrard, Byron Leftwich, stuff like that. The little Saxonville era they had for a short time. So we gonna build a dynasty in Jacksonville, and y'all gonna get to see it. So check out this game. We're going against the Raiders. See how we doing it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Flamenco. Scoring that touchdown. Plinko. Okay. We doing the thing. Let's go. Let's go. If y'all hear some thunder in the background, I'm recording it. My voiceover during a thunderstorm. So hey, just bear with me. Trying to get this content out for y'all. Boom. Flamenco. Let's get it, Flamenco. Already starting his career off correct. Do you hear me? Touchdown. Wow, yes. One thing you know, if you know me, you know that no player is safe on this Retro Bowl. I'll trade you in a heartbeat. I ain't too quick to cut nobody, but I'll trade you in a second. Kill a second. I love that they add kick returns to the game. That's another aspect that's nice. I'm still pushing for them to add defense. They need to add defense. Let you play something. Look at my boy. We got a no-name running back. We ain't got no superstar running back. Oh, what was I thinking? Trying to get him that picky 60. Kaiser with the first down, you feel me? Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, man. Nothing. But we gonna try to make something happen. We trying to build a dynasty in Jacksonville. Dolphins got their chips. The Buccaneers got their chips. This the only Florida team that ain't got their chips, man. We gotta give them some chips. Some chips. Whoop. Yes, indeed. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm a big fan of Jacksonville's colors and their uniform. I love the uniform. The way it currently is now, and the way it was when they originally came out in the 90s. I kind of like all their uniforms, but the one they had before this one, with the little fade, that little helmet that did the fade from one color to another one. That's the only uniform from Jacksonville I can say I didn't like. The rest of them are awesome. Let's go. Look at that. Running that thing. Or at least trying to anyway. The Buccaneers, another team. I'm glad they got rid of those other uniforms they had. The ones with like the digital clock numbers on them. And went back to the ones, not the originals. We know the original is the orange creamsicle, but they went back to when they first turned to red and pewter. So I'm digging that they, kind of updated those uniforms. The Keyshawn Johnson uniform, Warren Sappin and Brad Johnson, and Warwick Dunn, and Derrick Brooks, and Rondé Barber, those uniforms. So I'm glad Brady rocking them. He has the digital clock. Man, when they brought them unis back, I almost became a Bucks fan again, man. I used to like them back in the day. With all them names I just named. Had me thinking about going back. Saggity daggity. It's going down. Wow. kid. We in this thing. We trying to win, bro. Whooping 28-3. I ain't even give y'all the score. I'm over here running my mouth. This is what's up. We starting the season off correct. You feel me? We starting it off right. Listen to that thunder rumble in the background, because you know we starting it off right. 31-3, whooping up on the boys. Smacking them up, slapping them down. That's how we handle it around here. Let's go. Yes, indeed. Oh, come on. Flamenco. Doing it big. Come on. Killing it, bro. Wow. This is a shame for the other team when the no-names killing them. We got the no-names out there catching passes and killing them. Yes, sir. Flamenco. Roll that thing. Ah, incomplete. It's so incomplete. Oh. What? Yes, indeed. Oh, y'all heard that thunder rumble. It should have been raining in the game. That would have been perfect effect if it was raining in the game, man. 34-10, though. We trying to do our thing still. We starting this career off correct. Look at that boy. No name. Running back. Running it down their throat. This is outrageously amazing. Ain't no way this should have happened. Like, no way this should have happened. That's a no-go from the no-go, but it happened. Las Vegas gonna have a long year. This is the case. This is how it's going down. Flamenco almost had the TD. Almost. It's alright though. No name gonna punch it in. Let's get it. Whooping them boys up. They don't stand a chance. Look at this. Wow! Flamenco. No name. We trying to get it. We trying to score. We want the ball, we're gonna score. Ain't playing no games out there. Wowzer. Let's go. Yeah. No name killing the game, you feel me? Let's go. Wow, you can't stop Flamenco. Give it up when you see Flamenco, because it's over with. We too legit to quit. I don't kick that thing in. 4-10. So what y'all want to do? On to the next game. New England Patriots. Oh, look at that. Let's check him out. Oh, he an old retiring dude, but we'll take him for this 1 year because he's going to retire anyway. So he'll help us out at the running back position. And then in the off season, we'll get a youngster. So boom, there you go. Let's go New England. Y'all ain't got Shady Brady. What y'all gonna do? What you gonna do when Jacksonville runs wild on you? We already starting this thing off correct. Bust it. Bust it. Throw that thing, bro. Woo! I thought he was gonna throw that thing when you got Flamenco. Run it. The OG, 35 years old, still running it like a running back. 7-yard gain. Whoop, 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 whoop. Look at him. 10-yard gain. Tell me that ain't a good pickup. He retiring anyway. You know me, I'm trying to win the Super Bowl. Out the gate. I ain't waiting. When I first started playing this, I used to try to like figure it out and just wait. And I ain't trying to win a Super Bowl. Hey, I'm trying to get that Super Bowl year 1. That man can get a Super Bowl on the way out. That'll just put the icing on the cake for his career, you feel. Let's get this done. Let's push it. Wow. Let's go for Minko. I gotta get a replacement so he don't have to do kick return duties, man. I gotta get somebody else. I need him to focus on being the star receiver. We're gonna build a dynasty though. We're gonna build this franchise up. Jacksonville not gonna be laughing stock. They ain't gonna be with the Browns or the Lions or the Texans. Not on here. Throw that thing, man. Flamenco. Flamenco. Go, baby. Touch it down. It's coming soon. Trust me. It's coming. Look at this OG running back. Experience is beating youth right now. OG getting it, bro. Much respect to this dude. Nice pickup. That's alright. Let's get in there. Let's get in there. Boom. Okay. Touch down. Touchdown. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's go. Kick the field goal, bro. Man, I must have been doing something else. I probably stepped away for a few seconds. Got that interception, that interception. Kaiser, can't forget about him, man. That big tight end. But I ain't gonna lie, he might get traded. Because I'd rather have 2 receivers and a running back. I don't necessarily have like a star tight end. So he might get traded in the offseason. Wow. Flamenco. Okay. Let's get it. 23, 21 to 3. Whooping up on New England, bro. This is what gotta be done. This franchise, be building it to something serious. Jacksonville 2.0. Look at that boy run that thing. I gotta give me a kick return one of these games. I got to. Alright. OG getting tired now. That's alright though. He did enough. All you gotta do is don't fumble. You feel what I'm saying? Run it. It's a running play. I knew it. Just to let y'all know, if I hadn't said it, I ain't doing the voice the same time I played this. I played this like maybe a week or so ago. I just, get tired of life thing. Wow, Flamingo. Flamingo. Okay. Whoop. Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear that rain pick up in the background, but we're gonna pretend it's raining in the game. You know, we're gonna do that. 24-6. Let's get it. I probably should have did knee. Oh no, nothing. We in there. Yeah. Okie dokie, karaoke. Get down for the touchdown, you feel me? We trying to score. Give us the ball, and we gonna score. Wow. Okay. Help me out. Look at that boy, Ellison. Mr. Ellison. Run that ball. Bow. Flamingo. Let's go. Whoop. Mr. Ellingson. Man, look at this team. Do that thing, bro. Touchdown. Let's go. 31-6. What you gonna do with the score like 31-6? Oh, they got Quail now. 31 to Quail. Let's get it. Trying to get me a kick return, you hear me? Gotta get it. Kick return, you hear me? Oh, Flamingo. Touchdown. That's what I'm talking about. I think that score says 38-12. Punch that ball, give it back, dog, and we're gonna punch that ticket back in. What are you gonna say in? Let's go. Let's get it. New England can't do nothing. Oh, New England can't tell me nothing, man. New England can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, the Patriots saying something? They can't tell me nothing. 45 to Quail. Oh, okay. 45 to 19. Okay, 45 to 19. We pretty much got this thing sold up, people. So this is it. I'm gonna come back with another video with some more games, and I'm probably gonna skip ahead. I ain't gonna bore y'all with this thing and like do every single game. We're gonna skip throughout the season, but I'm gonna play every single game. But I'm gonna record certain games to give y'all, just throughout the different parts of the season. So appreciate y'all. Check me out next time. This video was brought to you by Jury Avenue Studio. Handmade, diverse, beautiful. Go to www.juryavenuestudio.com. There you will find beautiful handcrafted jewelry, and you can also have custom-made jewelry as well. Thank you for the support. This video is also brought to you by 10 There is nothing you can't accomplish, nothing you can't get through, nothing you can't face. We're in this together.